Ever wondered what it means to clock someone's tea? Originating in Black and Latinx LGBTQ plus drag and ballroom culture, to clock it means calling out hidden information or exposing a lie. People use the phrase when catching someone in an untrue story. Like if your friend Sasha boasts about a romantic trip to Paris, but you find out it's Paris, Texas. Oop, clock it. It can also be used to back up friends who just called someone out for something shady, or for who they left that party with in a hurry. Younger generations may even use it as a compliment, saying things like, "Your nails look nice," clocked it. There's also an accompanying hand gesture. Stretch your index finger and thumb out, tapping them together multiple times like a subtle clap to emphasize the phrase. So next time someone is clocking your tea, you might just be caught red-handed.